So guys, here today's unboxing of Imado's shawarma Middle Eastern yummy box. Let's unboxing here. And we got it, these Imados. Let's see what's inside. Here's already one box, then another box, nothing inside. So here is going to open. Wow, here's a delicious chicken. And let's see with another box. Yeah, with the sauce, it's actually same like a Nando's and looks so delicious. Even I open the box, it looks so yummy and delicious. So now I'm going to eat it, the both. So here is all the roasted grilled chicken, and let's start it. Here is the chicken, and I'm going to start. So I'm very excited and I want to try this chicken in Indonesia, Jakarta. You can find it. Let's see this one. Looks so spicy here and so much. Okay, I'm going to take this leg piece first, and like, wow, so delicious. Take a bite. Yeah. So spicy and so juicy. I love it. I'm sure if you will eat it, you will try it. Here you will order. I will put the link down. It's so delicious. So juicy. Amazing. Awesome. And here's the sauce. Yeah, this sauce, you can, it's like a Nando's. If you go to in other countries, there's Nando's in Canada, in Malaysia, Singapore. It's kind of Nando's, but in Indonesia don't have Nando's. So what you can do, you can dip. It's near the sauce. Yes, like this. It's very spicy. I'm even scared. Bring a little bit near. Yes. See? So nice. I'm really enjoying. Wanna try? Thumbs up. I would recommend it. Nice. See you.